The first thing we did after we started dating, before we used to just hang out a lot. He usually used to drop me home.
Pick up
all
and
the
drop.
time. Pick up and drop. He was like my pick up and drop service.
Rapido guy.
Yeah, my Rapido guy.
Time I realized that she would be the girl was initial few months, I think, cafe or something, and then one of her friend Bhuvnashri. Yeah, I think she's the one who ignited this.
Somehow that ignited him.
Unknowingly, it was like we were dating, but yeah, so that's the igniting point. ನನ್ಗಿಂತ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
He's a very, very, very calm person. Like my sister is less calmer than him. So I'm really, really glad that are a perfect match for each other. Like the way they handle each other.
ವಿನಯ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಳಿಯ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಬ್ರು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಸೋನಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗಾಯ್ತು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಗ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರಾದ್ರು, ಮದ್ವೆಗೂ ಬಂದ್ರು. ಇನ್ನೂವರೆಗೂ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ ಮಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡವಾಗ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನ ಅಂತ. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೋನಲ್ ವಿನಯ್.
Happy marriage.
It was a wonderful wedding.
Yeah, and we wish Vinay and Sonal a very happy married life. Thank
All
you.
the best. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Amazing husband ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನ, amazing partner ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನ. So I wish you both a very happy married life. Happy married life.
ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ.